Welcome back to another interesting tutorial about Microsoft Word tips and tricks. And in today's video, I will show you how to crop your image to different size in Microsoft Word. Let me show you how. Like for instance, I'm going to use this particular images as an example right here. So one thing you need to do is to go ahead and select the image. Having selected the image, come to the top right here, go ahead and click on picture format, and then you are here. Go ahead and navigate to crop tool right here. Go ahead and make sure you click on crop. Once you click on crop, then this is going to appear on the image. Then you can drag. Depends on the area you want to crop. So I'm going to crop this part right here. So once you are able to select the area you want to leave, so I'm going to adjust from the top or so. Once you are able to select the area you want to leave, just go ahead and press enter key on your keyboard. Then you have new image right here, just like so. It's that simple. For more useful tutorial, tips and tricks on how best to use your Microsoft Word, consider subscribe. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye for now.